Okay, so this is the connect on tri-tip to USB cable. So basically it's like a really nice charging port, right? Now imagine if you, in your family, right? If you have Android and your wife has iPhone, it happens sometimes, right? Like have different technologies, they are using different things. Or let's say you are using some kind of an Apple user who uses MacBook which requires USB-C and then iPhone which is a lightning charge. You don't want to carry multiple cables with you, right? Also, lot of devices nowadays like that still come with micro USB cable, which is the old Android standard, which has been going on for a long time. So many devices have that charging. So this is like from a nice cable from Connecton, which is like a tri-tip. It's a 6 feet cable, which means it's really large, and it can work with Apple devices because it is like a lightning port. It also works with any other micro USB phones, the older Android phones included, or newer Android phones thanks to USB-C. So you can use it with MacBooks as well as any other device that you have, or new Android phones, right? Let me open this and show it to you. So this is the 6 feet cable. You can see it's really huge. So I'm just going to fold it a bit, and you can see on one side it is USB. On the other side it is basically micro USB, but you can plug this thing in and convert it into, oh, let me see, is this correct? Nope, I need to flip it around. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can just flip it. So if you have a problem like me, you might want to just flip it a bit, right? And that would solve this problem. And now it becomes USB-C. Or you can convert it to a lightning port. Right? So it works both ways. Now I wanted to point out something, that if you are having trouble connecting it, then it is very much possible that you just need to rotate it. So once you rotate it, it becomes a lot more easier. So it just goes one way, right? And now USB-C works. Now the lightning. Or you can just choose to use it like a micro USB plug. So now let me show this to you with my phone charging. Okay, so I plug the plug in, and you can see it starts to charge my phone. My phone is a USB-C cable, right? Now let's assume even if you or your wife do have this thing, a same phone, like same Android, and you don't need another charger, it's still really nice device to buy, because I also have Xbox, right? And the Xbox remote requires micro USB, and it's in the living room. So do I plug in two different cables? Do I keep two of them? It's inconvenient, right? With this thing, I can use the same cable to charge my phone, or the my Xbox remote or PlayStation remote, whatever you have, depending on what you want to do, which is really nice feature. Also, if you keep it in the living room and if you have guests at home, it's really convenient, because some of your guests might have a different technology. They might not have the same thing as you. Like you could have Android and a guest could have iPhone, or reverse, right? Where you have iPhone and your guests could have Android. So in both those scenarios, having a cable like this in the living room is really helpful, right? When your guests come to home, you want to make them feel welcome. And this kind of solves the problem of today's where like two separate technologies going on with two different cable chargers. So a lot of different great options and a lot of different ways. And it's a very good price, and the cable is long enough. And if let's say you want to keep it really small, you can always tie it with some kind of a tie and just keep it folded, or you can have it use the whole 6 feet. So it's completely up to you, your choice. And so a great device, and we are very happy with it. We are going to keep it in our living room so that we can use this for my phone, my wife's phone, for tablet, or for charging my Xbox controller, or when the guests come in, they will be able to charge their device. So yep, very happy with it. Definitely recommend it for everybody. Okay, thank you.